Hey y'all, you might have to excuse the music in the background, but I'm here to give you all a first impression of Downy's Infusions. It's their in-wash scent boosters. Now, I've heard a lot of warnings about this, but I'm giving you the first impression to see what it's like for one of their brand new scents. This happens to be in a scent here called Refresh. Has notes of birch water and botanicals. Now, ever since I heard the warning about the in-wash scent boosters, I've been kind of leery to buy more, but proceed at your own risk. However, there are some really natural ones, and I've also seen in stores the one called Drift for babies, infants, and children, because they tend to have a high sensitivity, their skin, to things. So you might want to opt for that, even though you're a grown adult. For the whole household, that can be really helpful. I always said that in regards to sensitive skin with body care and the same, I'm going to go ahead and make that claim about laundry. Even if your skin is very tolerable, a lot of things I still wouldn't take the risk. I have no idea what birch water smells like on a regular basis, but it smells like it's giving that. It has a cap here where you could measure things, pop it off, and then underneath that there's a flip cap, so it has a secure type of packaging. But if you would like to see more videos like this where I'm going over products I see in stores, then on either side there should be a playlist for you all to enjoy. And until next time, love you. When I think about love, it's one of the bravest things that you can do. It is patient, it is kind, it does not envy or boast, and it'll keep you on the coast of not being rude or self-seeking, nor is it easily angered or seething mad, and it keeps no records of wrongs. It has no pleasure in evil, but it rejoices in the truth. And most of all,